Hey, how's it going? Going to be doing a bit of plumbing here, hence why I'm wearing a really nice shirt and everything, but what can you do? Um, yeah, so, let's get started. So, what I'm doing is this piece here, in the little groove that won't focus. Come on, come on, focus. There we go. And that little groove there used to live this belt, but the belt got stretched, it keeps going in, and this piece is all like corroded and everything and probably misshapen anyway. So I pulled it out from where it lives there and went to the plumbing store and got this. I was in Mexico, so just before I left it failed, and then here we go. Just before I left, it failed, and I didn't have time to work on it, and been busy catching up with work and everything ever since. So, yeah, now I've gone and got the part. I'm going to put it back together again. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our silicone lubricant here, and we're going to apply it to the threads. Yay. Which I gotta figure out how to hold the camera while I do that. 1 second. Okay, I've got this thing resting in my lap here. Let's turn off the flash actually. Okay. So, this is tricky. Alright, just a second here. How do I... yeah. Alright. First, okay, so we're applying this by hand, so I'm gonna... ooh, this stuff feels weird. Take it in my finger, put it around like this. Just apply it around the threads here. Whoop. Okay, now that I've made a mess there, let's apply it around this thread. Yeah, so just dab it in your fingers and run it through the threads here. Okay. It's probably good. I got it all over my fingers anyway, so I've got enough that I could... let's see here. Okay. Okay. Next, it came with this little plastic ring, which I believe goes on there, where the stopper is, to probably keep it from going out too far. So now, we stick this back in here. We stick this back in here. Stick the... Get... Okay, hang on a second here. Okay, here's what the problem was. The old ring was still in there from before, so now it should go in. First, I'm gonna take a liberal amount of that silicone stuff. And we're just gonna try and make this without doing any innuendos. Right around the rim there. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I know you're... Yeah. Let's keep this from getting any more demonetized. All right. And there's one way in back there. So you want to put your finger right in that hole and just massage the rim with the silicone. Shut up! Alright, that should be probably good. Gonna wipe off all this grease here. This is really tricky to do, but while one hand holds the camera. Okay, now let's try this again. Alright, hang on. We're going to remove this washer, actually, this plastic washer, actually. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Actually, let's try putting this, because it does not want to go in with that thing on. So what if we did, what if it goes here? That would make sense too. So we put it on the outside, and we just go and grab our crescent wrench. Alright, that should be good. Okay, hopefully that's threaded in okay. Press that against there. And for the pièce de résistance, we'll just take the end off of this old piece. Drop it on the ground. and then put it on here, like so. I feel like there's a piece missing from here, but I've never had it, so. Alright. Now let's see if this worked. Okay. Try the cold water. So far, so good. Try the hot water. Alright. Moment of truth time. Here we go. Hey! No water coming through there, water coming through there. Can we... Then if we turn it off... Alright. And there you have it. I fixed a thing. Hooray! Although, to be fair, it would have been funny if I hadn't have, because I was fully prepared for that possibility. When I tried to repair the old part, it worked for half a second and then broke again. So, it may not be the funniest outcome, but it works. So now you can get your focus water tub and shower cartridge at your local Home Hardware or whatever, and your silicone lubricant, and you can now fix your own piece. Alright, until next time, guys. Peace. CanadAce out. Oh, well, I'll just do my regular. You kids have fun now.